You know, what I heard from you was that you were frustrated because we had $70, $80, $100 systems, which were great for just recharging or powering up your phone. And then we had $2,000, $3,000 Ecoflows that were big enough for a house full of people. A lot of you messaged and said, I don't want that and I don't need that. Where's the in-between? Where is the in-between? I don't want to spend $3 grand. I don't want to spend $70. I need something in between. I asked the team to bring in the Ecoflow River, which never gets any airtime, and it should, because it's brilliant. It's an amazing system. My mother-in-law, Linda, has this system. She raves about it. It is smaller, it is compact, it is powerful. It can still power over 80% household appliances like your full-size refrigerator, TV, modem, router, fan, heater, CPAP machine, nebulizer. It does it all. But look, it's not some massive thing. It's easy to use. It doesn't take gas. When I show you the price, I think you're going to be really impressed and really happy. There are only a few hundred, okay? So that's the only thing I have to say. There's no other presentations. It's just you, me, and here and now. So without further ado, I hope this meets the needs of so many of you who have messaged me. I agree with you. This is not $3,000 or $2,000. Or even $1,000, let's reveal my special delivery price right now. While supplies last, it is $399.99. It is Ecoflow's legendary, iconic power, innovators in next generation power stations, truly replacing a traditional gas generator at a price that is affordable and a machine that is capable. So we're gonna count backwards with everybody. If you have been affected by anything that's been going on with all the crazy weather, obviously our thoughts and prayers are with you. We are here in St. Petersburg, Florida, so this time last week we were bracing for the horrendous hurricane. We know the importance of having power because everything runs on power. When the power goes out in your home, when it's out for 10, 20 minutes, you get frustrated. When it's out for an hour, we get upset. If it's out for multiple hours, what do we do with the food that's in the refrigerator that's gonna spoil? Or your son who, like my son, has to have a particular medicine that has to be refrigerated. What do we do about that? There's a lot of reasons we need power: to see, to stay cool, to stay warm, to eat, to try and get some sense of normality. $399.99, 75 orders have already been taken. There are no other presentations. It's only here and now together. Now we have the other Ecoflows at $2,000, $1,700, $3,000. But for $399, this is, I think, gonna service the needs of so many people. All right, we are experiencing a hold. hsn.com will be your fastest way in. With everybody that's placed their orders, my best guess is that there is, I think we started just over 600 or 700. My best guess is that there's maybe 600 left. Our special guest and voice of Ecoflow, Mr. Justin Hyatt, who is an expert in this arena. Justin, thank you for coming in.
Of course.
And for doing this with us. This fills a need.
It does. You know, one key word I think we'll be hearing throughout the presentation you just said is normality.
Yes.
I think that's obviously something that's at the top of our mind. Normality. What's normal? Obviously, normality is different for all of us, but normality lives in that space in our lives where things should go unchanged, where things should feel as though, you know what, today is going to be the same as tomorrow, and unfortunately, we can't control all of those things, but what you can control is how you deal with those things, being prepared and preparing today for tomorrow. And the thing that you were saying, Adam, you know, what we love about this is, one, hasn't been on in a long time. And it's a shame because this is that sweet spot. This is that Goldilocks. This is just less than 20 pounds of power that can power 80% of your home appliances. And so, yeah, we love being able to have all of the large deltas that we have, but this right here, when this launched, this was the most powerful at its time. This is the River Pro. So we've got the River, we've got the River Max, we've got the River Max Plus, we've got the River Pro today. And I was just doing a little bit of research before we went on. I think this is the lowest price that we have anywhere right now with the River Pro. It's easy and it's simple. It's a whole entire story of Ecoflow that we love. One touch of a button just to turn the unit on, and that's it. No pull crank. Sit it right here on your lap. The nice part about having a Goldilocks size like this is that it is portable, that it is lightweight. And what does that mean to you? That means it's manageable power. It's not something that you're gonna feel like it's too big, it's too powerful for me. This is something that you'll be able to carry around with you to any room, whether it's to the bedroom for your CPAP, whether it's the kitchen for your refrigerator, and then vice versa. You'll feel like you can handle all of that. Really quick, I wanna go to the very front again because I wanna show you a little bit of tour. We have that digital display. So if you've never seen Ecoflow, one of the things that we do very, very well is give you every bit of information that you need. 99 representing how much time, 100 representing how much power you have. The little zeros over here are gonna represent the amount of wattage. So when I start to plug any device in, it's gonna tell me exactly how long I can run that for. One of the things that you don't see on any of our Deltas is that really nice little flashlight that we've got built in right here. So you've got the SOS built in. I would say, probably the longest lasting flashlight we've ever had on HSN, built in right here. And then of course on the side is where we get to plug in all of our big devices. This is your refrigerator. This is your light. This is your fan. This is your CPAP machine. This is right by your bed, and still industry standard when it comes to, and I say industry, maybe I don't say it. Industry standard. It's actually the fastest in the industry, from 0 to 80% in less than 2 hours. Right here's where you're going ahead and to charge it up, you plug it into the wall, very simple. And then we also can charge it via solar. So just like all of our other Ecoflows, plug it into your solar panel. Maybe you already have an existing solar panel you've picked up from here. You can go ahead and recharge it via the sun, renewable and independent power. So if you're out of power for days, how are you going to recharge it? Plug it right here into your solar panel.
We actually have the solar panel available. There's 160 left. We'll give you the details on the solar panel. So to Justin's point, if a gas generator runs out, you put more gas in it. When this runs out, we can charge it via the outlet in the wall. But if your house is